I'm starting the intro at the outro because I just finished the day now. I will show you in this video what downtown Dubai actually looks like today on Sunday. Not gonna be a long video. I'm gonna show you exactly what it actually looks like around and inside the Dubai Mall. It's full of people. So as you can see, totally normal. Everyone's here. And I will even add to this that our business has gone up a lot this month compared to last month. So many people have restarted their processes and new clients are starting to start their process as well. So looks positive. Of course, I think April will still be a little bit of a slower month and it will take some time to fully readjust. But in the next 6 months, I think things will be fully operational and people are already coming back. I can tell because we're the ones who help people move to Dubai. That's one of our main core offers.